What's driving the current high-octane growth of real estate in India's metro cities? The answer is a complex riddle that we are about to unravel. Over the past few years, India's metropolitan cities have become hotbeds for real estate activity. This boom can be attributed to a combination of factors. For starters, the rapid urbanization of these areas is a major contributor. As rural populations migrate to urban centers in search of better opportunities, the demand for housing and commercial spaces naturally increases. But that's not all. The rise in population is another driving force. As the number of inhabitants grows, so does the need for more residential and commercial properties. And let's not forget about the increasing demand for housing. With more people looking to own their homes, the real estate sector is experiencing a surge in activity. The skyline of these cities is changing faster than ever. But what's causing this rapid transformation? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this real estate riddle. A combination of factors is fueling this boom, not just a single element. Let's dive in and dissect what exactly is driving this upward trajectory in the real estate market of India's bustling metro cities. First and foremost, we have economic growth. India's economy has been on an upward swing, and with growth comes increased purchasing power. This has led to a surge in demand for housing and commercial spaces alike. Next, we have rising income levels. With more money in their pockets, Indians are now more than ever able to afford their dream homes. Then we have the availability of home loans. Banks and other financial institutions are making it easier for people to buy property by offering attractive loan schemes. Lastly, government policies are also playing a significant role. Initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana are promoting affordable housing, further fueling the demand. These factors have created a perfect storm for the real estate boom in the metros. This boom is not without its benefits. Let's take a moment to appreciate the bright side of this real estate explosion. It's like a domino effect, creating a surge of opportunities and growth in its wake. Firstly, it's a job creation powerhouse. From construction workers to architects, from real estate agents to interior designers, this boom is fueling employment opportunities like never before. Secondly, it's a catalyst for infrastructure development. Metro cities are evolving into architectural marvels with state-of-the-art buildings, improved road networks, and enhanced public services. Lastly, it's a golden goose for the government. Increased property transactions mean increased tax revenue. This influx of funds can be channeled into public welfare and development projects, improving the overall quality of life. So on the surface, this real estate boom seems like a boon, doesn't it? More jobs, better infrastructure, and a wealthier government. It seems like a win-win situation, doesn't it? But there's another side to this story. Every coin has two sides, and this real estate boom is no exception. As we revel in the glitz and glamour of towering skyscrapers and swanky apartments, let's not forget the dark underbelly of this real estate explosion. The first consequence is overcrowding. With more people flocking to these metro cities for their slice of the real estate pie, the strain on infrastructure is undeniable. Then there's pollution. Increased construction activities lead to more dust and noise in the air, not to mention the carbon footprint of these massive projects. The cost of living has also skyrocketed. From daily necessities to leisure activities, everything comes with a hefty price tag in these bustling cities. And lastly, let's not forget the looming risk of a property bubble. With skyrocketing prices and speculative buying, the bubble can burst, leading to a sharp decline in property prices. So it's clear that this boom is a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges. The real estate boom in India's metro cities is a complex phenomenon. It's driven by a cocktail of factors: rapid urbanization, economic growth, and a burgeoning middle class with increased purchasing power. This explosion of development has its bright spots. It's stimulating investment, creating jobs, and transforming skylines with gleaming new structures. But let's not forget the flip side. This boom is also stoking disparities in wealth and housing access. It's straining infrastructure and natural resources, and it's escalating the cost of living, pushing many to the city fringes. The crux of the matter is this: real estate is more than just bricks, mortar, and glossy brochures. It's about people, communities, and the fabric of our cities. As we navigate this boom, it's crucial to strike a balance between growth and sustainability. After all, the future of our cities is at stake.